Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to make a quick update video for y'all. In the last video, I installed the Mishimoto oil catch can. I've put about 2,000 miles on the truck since installing it, and here's what I've collected now. Let me get it to focus here. It's not a lot of material, a lot of blow-by material. It's not even really a tenth of an ounce, but that may be because I'm using AMSOIL. If you're familiar with AMSOIL, it's a premium motor oil, so which by design is supposed to reduce blow-by. So I think that's probably why my fuel mileage has gone up actually since I started using AMSOIL back when I had about 2,000 miles on the truck. So maybe that's why I'm not catching as much material. The oil catch can is working. I've just seen, a lot of other people, they're collecting at least an ounce or so or more, but you know what, I'll take it. I think that also means my engine's probably pretty well broken in. A lot of the seals are starting to fill up too, and that's what also helps reduce your blow-by as well. But in this video, I was going to install this blacked out Ford tailgate emblem along with these Ford Ranger blacked out letters for the tailgate. I'm also going to install this tonneau cover. Here in a couple weeks, I'm going up to Wyoming on vacation. So I wanted just a cheap way to cover the bed. This is one made by the American Tonneau company. This was roughly $275. I got it on Amazon. I actually got it for a little bit less than that with some credit card points. So I just wanted a cheap cover to cover the bed of the truck while I travel. But first thing I'm going to do is wash the truck because it desperately needs it, and so I can properly install the stickers. So let's get started. Alright, so the truck's been washed, so now it's time to put on these Ranger letter decals to black out the tailgate. Luckily they give you extras when you screw up. Right, now I'm going to remove the factory emblem so I can replace it with the black emblem. Should just be able to pop this off. Alright, so next I'm going to debadge the tailgate here. I'm going to remove the EcoBoost logo. I already removed the dealer's sticker that they put on the truck. And so now I'm going to remove the EcoBoost logo here. I think it's just going to give the truck a little bit cleaner look. So to remove it, I'm going to use a heat gun and some fishing line. The heat gun will loosen the adhesive. Still hot. Alright, to finish removing the adhesive, I'm going to be using this 3M wheel here. I use this on my old Ranger to remove the pinstriping. It works really well. And to remove this residual crud without, risking it scratching the paint, because if you took, cloth and wiped it across, you would. I'm just going to use an old piece of clay bar and some detail spray as the lubricant. And this will clean that right off. There you go. That's how you remove your emblems or decals off your vehicle too. Alright, got the tonneau cover installed. The installation wasn't too bad, just took me a couple times to readjust it, but it's on there pretty securely. So I think it'll work pretty good for my needs when I travel. Finished the tailgate, debadged it, and added the black Ford emblem with the black Ranger lettering. I think it looks really good, especially with this blue. So yeah, I just wanted to make this update video for y'all guys. But real quick before I go, I have one more update here. Let me walk into the shop. And pardon the mess, I'm slowly trying to organize everything and get it, this is my little work area here, and slowly getting everything organized and mounted on the wall. But if you notice here, I have parts for BMW. Well, that's because I bought a 1982 E21 BMW 320i. I got it on Facebook for $400. So I've got parts here to fix it up and clean it up. You can see here there's under that plastic there's a crank, some pistons, the BMW kidney cover, some seals because it's pretty rotted out. I'll flash a couple pictures of it here on the screen. But yeah, it's just another project that I'm going to have here shortly, so wanted to share that with y'all guys. But thank you so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video, and be sure to subscribe for more.